Hello everyone, my name is Maheshwaran and I'm a Principal Solutions Architect for Media and Entertainment here at AWS. I work closely with media houses across India, helping them navigate and accelerate their cloud adoption journey, enabling them to build modern, scalable, and intelligent media workflows on AWS. Today, I am excited to walk you through how we can derive real-time multimodal intelligence from live video and make it instantly actionable through agentic AI and TAMS, the Time Addressable Media Store. TAMS is an open source API specification that stores small chunks of media in S3 and exposes them through a content centric API. This is critical because it means downstream systems can start processing media while the ingest is still underway. We don't wait for the stream to end, enabling features like automated recaps, key moment detection, and interactive Q&A while the event is still happening. Now let me quickly show you all of this in action through our TAMS Tools UI. There are two key sections I want to highlight that bring the inference capabilities to life. First, let me show you the webhook registration section. This is where the integration between TAMS and our ML inference pipeline is established. When you deploy the ML inference stack on AWS, it generates a webhook URL and an API key. You simply come to this section in the TAMS UI, provide that webhook URL and the API key, and then select the event type you want to listen for. In our case, it is the flow segments added event. Once registered, every time a new segment is added to a TAMS flow, that event is automatically sent to the webhook, which triggers the entire inference pipeline we just discussed. This is what makes the whole system event-driven and near real-time. No manual intervention, no scheduled jobs, just continuous automatic processing as the live stream grows when ingest and media live channel is started. Second, let me take you to the ML inferences section. This is where you see the intelligence in action. Here you see all the TAMS flows listed. You can select any flow to dive deeper into what the system has understood about that live stream. You will see the segment analysis tab, showing what was detected in each chunk of video, along with the time taken to process and understand each segment, giving you full visibility into the inference performance and latency. As you move to the next tab, you will find the chapter section. This is where the system continuously monitors its growing understanding of the live stream and automatically generates chapters based on topic transitions as they happen. Whether the conversation shifts from one subject to another in a news broadcast, or a football match moves from pre-game analysis to kick-off, or a live show transitions between segments, the system detects these natural boundaries and organizes the stream into meaningful chapters in near real time, giving you a structured, evolving table of contents for a stream that has no predefined structure. Moving further, you will find key moments section. These are automatically identified as system continuously analyzes the live stream. As pivotal moments occur, whether it is a goal in a football match, a breaking statement in a news broadcast, or a dramatic scene in a live show, they appear here in near real time as the system identifies them from its growing understanding. And finally, we have the agent chat interface. This is where the agentic experience truly shines. You can interact with the live stream as if you are talking to someone who has been watching every second of it. Ask for a recap of the last 15 minutes. Ask how many key moments have occurred. Ask which chapters have been identified so far. Ask specific questions about what happened at a particular point, and the agent responds with accurate, contextual answers drawn from the continuously growing memory stored in agent core memory. The stream keeps growing, the understanding keeps building, and the agent keeps getting smarter. So what you are seeing here is not a post-event analysis tool. This is a live breathing intelligent system that understands video as it happens and makes that understanding immediately accessible to both applications and end users. I am excited to walk you through the architecture that demonstrates how we can derive real-time multimodal intelligence from live video. Starting from the ingestion layer, AWS Elemental Media Live ingests live video feeds and produces media segments. These segments are orchestrated by step functions through an SQS and Lambda pipeline into TAMS. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every time a new segment lands in TAMS, an event-driven inference pipeline fires automatically, built on API Gateway, SQS, and Lambda. This is not batch processing. This is segment by segment, near real-time inference. As the live stream grows, each new chunk immediately enters the processing pipeline. This event-driven design ensures we maintain a continuous, low-latency understanding of the content as it unfolds. No polling, no delays, just reactive processing at the pace of the live stream. Each segment then flows into our video understanding layer, where models hosted on Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SageMaker perform visual, audio, and fused multimodal analysis. We are not just looking at frames. So severe. We are understanding speech, visual context, on-screen graphics, crowd reactions, and fusing all of that into a rich representation. These understandings are stored in DynamoDB, building a progressively enriched knowledge base that grows with every passing second of the live event. And this is where it all comes together. That continuous multimodal understanding is pushed into Amazon Bedrock Agent core memory, creating a living, growing memory of the event. Agents built using the Strands Agents framework, deployed on Agent Core runtime, tap into this memory to deliver real value. Automated recaps that summarize what has happened so far. Key moment detection that identifies pivotal highlights. And interactive Q&A where a viewer can ask what happened in the last 10 minutes or how many goals have been scored and get accurate, contextual answers powered by the accumulated understanding. That is the power of combining TAMS, multimodal AI, and agentic memory on AWS.